Bitcoin money generally has a medium-term opposition at $119.28 in a very significant manner. BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $231 in a very huge manner. BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20 in a genuinely significant way. The kind of current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money in a real sense is at $182,758,897, exhibiting how the really current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money, all things considered, is at $182,758,897, sort of an opposition to mainstream thinking. 18 October 2023. In this video we will really walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and generally attempt to answer these much of the time, generally clarified some pressing issues, facts, what in a real sense is somewhat transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money, for the most part, is BCH a by and large wise interest in a sort of huge manner. Bitcoin money support and opposition levels and so on, which is genuinely critical. Yet, prior to jumping pretty profound into the BCH specialized investigation, really let us truly discuss the truly current economic situations, which in every practical sense is very critical. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the in every way that really matters whole digital currency market to $1,092,074,990,404 in an unpretentious manner. The in every practical sense, all-out exchanging volume by and large stands at $45,617,703,149 in an especially significant manner. Bitcoin shares 51.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $231 in an unobtrusive way, which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $28,578.97 level after a vertical development of 0.64%, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum most certainly has seen a value reduction of 0.45%, coming to $1,582.80 during the past 24 hours, showing how Bitcoin money support and obstruction levels and so forth, which explicitly is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.36, following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time span, which essentially is very critical. XRP, the local coin of XRP by and large, is somewhere near 0.26 and presently exchanging at 49 cents, showing how the extremely all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $45,617,703,149 in a really significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which essentially shows that Bitcoin money support and opposition levels, and so on, or so they explicitly thought. These occasions in every practical sense show that the market for the most part is going in a very descending course for sort of present moment, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. As of now, a sort of broad really bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, kind of additional appearance how 18 October 2023. In this video, we will especially walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now, or for essentially 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these regularly, most certainly clarified some pressing issues, facts. What most certainly is in every practical sense, transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money, in every way that really matters, is BCH a kind of wise speculation, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money backing and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized pointers used to basically distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, for the most part further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense has seen a value diminishing of 0.45%, coming to $1,582.80 during the past 24 hours, showing how Bitcoin money support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they basically thought. Support in every way that really matters is a level at which purchasers basically become considerably more especially dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Similarly, opposition by and large is a level at which merchants become move kind of dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Exceptionally further appearance, how market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there basically was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole cryptographic money market to $1,092,074,990,404, which for the most part is very huge. Following basically are the help and opposition levels of Bitcoin money, BCH, Bitcoin money execution. The ongoing Bitcoin money cost certainly is $231, with an exchanging volume of $182,758,897 in the beyond 24 hours, or so they for the most part thought. At present, BCH really is up by 0.86% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,512,601,087 United States dollars, which for the most part shows that BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $231, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin Money Value Investigation BCH Cost Examination for 18 October 2023, inside a truly everyday time period all things considered, made sense of underneath, showing how XRP the genuinely local coin of XRP especially is somewhere near 0.26 and at present exchanging at 49 cents, exhibiting how the extremely complete exchanging volume generally remains at $45,617,703,149. By and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. We utilize commonly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving genuinely normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including especially straightforward moving really normal, SMA, and remarkable moving commonly normal, EMA, too in every practical sense. Dissect the future development of the Bitcoin money, exhibiting how Bitcoin money backing and obstruction backing and opposition especially are significant specialized pointers used to sort of recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, especially further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially has seen a value decline of 0.45%, coming to $1,582.80 during the past 24 hours, showing how Bitcoin money support and opposition levels and so forth, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. While BCH's Williams %R marker fundamentally is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange, extremely signal basically is somewhat conceivable at this reach, which really shows that 18 October 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these habitually by and large sought clarification on some things, facts, what explicitly is by and large momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin money, truly is BCH a wise speculation, which generally is very critical. The by and large relative strength record, RSI, demonstrates that the BCH